So welcome back. It's been a crazy weekend. A lot of things happened. I mean, we put out 5 videos last week, and then we also had the famous shrimp cook-off. It wasn't really a competition to see who can cook more shrimp, but it was a competition to see if my friend Shawn can eat 5 pounds of shrimp. That's right, 5 pounds. So, did he do it? I guess we're gonna have to see.
That's what you call me. I bring the fire, light it up, watch it burn. Bow to my throne, get that smirk off your face. I'm about to show you how a real queen tastes. Back it up, bow down. I'm the ringleader.
If looks could kill, if looks could kill, one glance, long stare, easy on the eyes, moving slowly like shadows in the night. There will be a reckoning, there will be a day. Something of your darkest dreams, the time has come. There will be a reckoning, there will be a rise. Something like you've never seen, the time has come. If looks could kill, if looks could kill, if looks could kill, it'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill, you'd be dead right now. If looks could kill, wanted daily, something of desire, needed badly. Passion is a fire. All it takes is just a look. All it takes is one to captivate and pull you in. Your time has come. All it takes is just a stare to make you come undone. I'm slowly gonna do you in. Your time has come. If looks could kill, if looks could kill, if looks could kill, it'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill, You'd be dead right now. I like being dangerous. My name is notorious. I like being dangerous. My name is infamous. If looks could kill, it looks good, it looks good. If looks could kill, it looks good, it looks good. If looks could kill, it'd be all such a thrill. If looks could kill, you'd be dead right now. If looks could kill, if looks could kill. They're hiding in the darkness. They're waiting on their prey. They're lurking in the shadows. They know that you're afraid. Don't close your eyes, darling. Don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes, darling. They're not far behind. Just keep quiet. If you wanna stay alive.
So there it is. He taps out. He tapped out at about 3.5 pounds, left 1.5 pounds of shrimp left, which is still amazing. The issues that happened were, and I'm sure he didn't think about this while he was doing it, the shrimp by themselves have a lot of sodium, so the sodium builds up in his mouth, so he felt like he was getting dry mouth, getting thirstier, drank tons of water, drank Sprite, did everything possible, but in the end the salt got him. So there you go, he did not complete the task, so that means next time he's gonna have to eat a medium rare steak. For most people, medium rare is no big deal, but for someone who only eats well done, it's a huge deal. To even see pink shocks them. The color of red scares them. So now we're gonna see what he does next. So stay tuned, next video. As always, thank you so much for subscribing. Keep on subscribing, keep on supporting the channel, share the video, like the video, leave me comments, interact. I'm here for you. So thank you, love you, till next time, bye.
You can run, but you